My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Audi A3. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control, voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we can access car, sound, radio, media, telephone, navigation, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone and settings. Just below the screen we have our drive select. The A3 comes with 5 different driving modes. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.